Hey guys, I'm here because of the new launch of our Hilux EZISTRUT. Today we're going to talk about what's changed, what's been improved in this model. This is the version 2. So we've increased the bore size of the oil capacity, we've increased the actual piston size, so a lot stronger, less flex, and we've changed the actual dust design as well. So gone to a plastic, still with the 40mm raise and still designed for that heavy load of the bull bar. The mining fleet, they're hitting a lot of bumps at high speed. Corrugations are not our friend. So what we need to do to cool that down is increase the bore capacity, which we've done with this model. So more oil, more cooling. This particular EZISTRUT obviously is completely pre-assembled, so includes a top hat and nuts and bolts for easy fitment. So no pre-assembling in the workshop required, straight into the car. This means there's no safety concerns up on site where the guys are trying to get the spring to compress. This saves time, saves money, and is a lot safer. That's it from me. That's the Toyota Hilux EZISTRUT. Going to mine sites now. The TAKEO range of suspension is always growing, always reinventing. Let us know what you think.